What is going on, traders? Welcome back to Celestin Capital. I am back with a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the ultimate gold price action strategy. All right, this is the best kept secret you've never heard of. Now here's the thing I want you to do not take my word for it. What I want you to do after watching this video is I want you to take what you learned in this video and go apply it, go back test it, go forward test it. Don't just take what I say and assume that I'm right or assume that this strategy is trash, whatever the case is. Take what you learned in this video, take what I show you in this video and go apply it, go back test it. Go to the charts for an hour and go back test it, all right? Go on TradingView, hit the replay tool, use the replay tool, or if you don't have it, sign up, or you don't even have to sign up. Just go back in time and just look to see if what I'm teaching you in this video is relevant and if it applies, all right? So with that being said, this strategy works on any pair that you want to trade, exotics, indices, commodities, whatever the case is. The only thing is I trade gold a lot, so I found this strategy to be very efficient on gold. So I'm going to be showing you this strategy on gold. This is the MLBM strategy, all right? I've been teaching you guys this a lot on my YouTube channel. There's a reason I've been teaching you it a lot. There's a reason I've made almost at least, I think, 3 videos already. This is probably going to be the third, fourth one. There is a reason for that. It's because the strategy is very powerful. It's very efficient. That's not to say that the strategy does not lose or that it has even a 90% win rate. The win rate might be 60%, might be 50%, but the RR is at least a 1 to 3. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into this video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the MLBM strategy applied to gold. So we are currently, let's actually go back to, I don't know. We want to go October 2021, I guess. So we are here now, right? Now, what I want to happen, or what I want to see, in order for me to buy price, I would have to see price break above here. Now, right now, we are in a sell zone. So we are going to continue to look for sells. Actually, I want to look for price to break below here, and then I'll start looking for sells. Right now, anything in between here, because we are near a major key level, anything in between here, it's just a no trade zone. So as long as price stays in between this zone right here, which is above here and below here, I am not going to trade. And this is the thing that traders do not have: discipline. Discipline to not touch the charts, to not look at the charts, to know when or when not to trade. This is the thing. So right now we're in a no trade zone and I'm not going to touch anything. So as I told you, buys above here, sells below. It looks like we've broken above. So now I want to look for, well, it already happened, a retest, and I want to look for price to start giving me some kind of structure. So, and this is also another mistake that traders make. They have this area, their key level, and then they just immediately jump into the trade and try to fixate their stop loss somewhere. Like, oh, I'm going to put it 50 pips, I'm going to put it 80 pips. No, let price create structure. Let price show you that it wants to go in the direction that you want to go. So in this case, I'm looking for buys. Now, price does not have to buy just because this is a major level. All right, just because it's a major level doesn't mean price has to hold this and continue in the other direction. No, price could easily just do this and continue down. Even though we broke above, price could easily just continue down. All right, make sure you understand that. Make sure you actually apply these things that I'm teaching you so that you can dominate the charts, guys. So let's price create some more structure. Let's see. Again, we're back in the no trade range. All right, so we've created some kind of structure. Looking pretty good here. Now, let's wait. Be patient and see if we can get a break above here. Looks like we have. It's pretty nice. Looks like we're getting a retest on it. So let's go down to the 1 hour and see if we can find that setup we've been looking for. That MLBM setup. Nothing as of yet. Just got to be patient, guys. Got to be patient. Patience pays, literally. All right. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look how clean the sweep of liquidity was. Look how clean that was. So price liquidated a low. This is supposed to be a low. Still clicked high for some reason. And then what happened? Price broke above. Where's the high that broke the low? Right over here. Price broke above. So whatever we want to get on, where do we want to get in? We ideally want to get in right here. our stop loss below. But what you can do is get in on the open of the OB right here. As you see this order block, you can get on the open and you can refine it however you want. But in this case, I'm going to get in right here just so we're safe. And we're just going to target a 1 to 2 in this case if you want, just for the hell of it. So right now we have a buy limit over here. We're not in the trade yet. We have a buy limit. Once price taps us in, once price does this, then we are in the trade. All right. And we expect price to continue to the upside. So we're not in the trade yet. All right. So we are no longer interested in this trade because it already hit TP. If we were in the trade, this would have been our TP. So we're no longer interested in the trade. We're going to look for other setups. See if price wants to do that for us. That was a quick mitigation. So we are back here. Let's continue to wait for price to give us what we're looking for. Okay, we are back in the zone. Let's see if we can get what we are looking for. All right, so this is beautiful. There we go. We got the liquidation of the lows again. And we got the break of the high. Where do we want to get in? You can get in right here. If you want to refine this, you can. I'm just going to get in here for the hell of it. As you see, look at this. Look how price is nicely mitigating. As I told you guys, the low got swept. The low was swept and it broke above the high. You see this break right here? And we had our buy limit. At this point, we had our buy limit. And now price is in profit right now. Again, price could easily just reverse, but we are in trade. We are in the trade and we are in profit. As you see, TP hit. Beautiful. To the T. Look how beautiful that is. Let's continue to look for more trades. And let me just break this down once again really quickly. So we're in a major zone, or a minor zone, excuse me. We're just following the trend of price. We were in a minor zone. Price liquidated the low, the swing low, broke above the swing high that liquidated the low, and price mitigated very nicely. We were looking for mitigation. Again, as I told you, you could have refined this. This was a 2-to-2 risk to reward. Look at how refined. Look at how much better the risk to reward would have been if you entered right here. So we go from a 1 to 2 to a 1 to 4.4. Look how beautiful that is. You go from 1 to 2 to 1 to 4.4. This order block had not been mitigated yet, but we decided to get in right here to be safe. Again, price does not always come all the way down here. That's the risk that you're accepting once you decide to refine your entry point. Once you decide to refine your entry point, that is a risk you are accepting, that you may not get tapped in the trade. In this case, it was a beautiful play, no complaints here. But again, this is a safe entry. Right after the break of the high is a safe entry. So let's continue to look for more trades. Let's see where price is right now. All right, so we broke below. We have broken below. Let me delete this. We're broken below. Right now, we are in a no trade range because, again, key level, minor level, all of this is just no trade range. If I'm looking for buys, I would have to see price break above to continue up. Sells, price break below, start trending down. Simple as that. And I know it's a lot easier said than done, but you just gotta discipline yourself. You literally have to discipline yourself. Whatever it takes to be a profitable trader. Right back in the no trade range. There was nothing here, so no trades taken. No trades taken. Let's go to the 4-hour, see what's up. This looks like a clean zone for price to come back and retest. So we're going to use this. Nope. So we've tapped into a weekly level. Let's see if price can start trading below this level. I would have to see price break below here in order for me to start selling. and buys, break above. Nothing clean yet. No clean structure. All right. So we had some clean structure. We broke below, but price did not come back to retest. It's all good. But price came back to retest this previous zone that we have. Again, as I told you before, let price create some structure. Because as I said, look what would have happened if you just blatantly entered into the trade. Oh, price is at a key level, so I'm just gonna enter the trade. Look what happens. As I told you, let price create some structure. So it looks like we're breaking back above. Back in the no trade range. Now back in the no trade range. Again, all about patience. Look, there's literally nothing going on right now. Why would I enter into the market if there's nothing going on? What is the point? Why would I put myself at risk of losing capital, of losing any of my capital, if there's nothing going on in the market? All right, now we've broken above. Now let's see if price could create some more structure. All right, so we've got a little something going on. Okay, so now we're going to go down to the 1 hour and look for the setup again. Looks like price is setting up for something. We took out this low. Let's see if we can get a break above this high. Nope. Trade got invalidated. Why? Because this candle closed below this liquidity. If this would have done the same thing, wicked, and then this candle would have closed above, I would have entered the trade. But this trade got invalidated, so no longer interested. Back in the no trade range. Back in the no trade range. You guys see what I'm talking about? There's literally nothing here. There is nothing here to trade. This right here is pretty clean. Low was taken out. Got a break above. Price did not come back to mitigate yet. Let's see if price wants to come back to here to continue to the upside and take out this high potentially. High not taken out yet. High not taken out yet. High still not taken out. All right, we have been tapped into the trade after a few days. You see we are in profit right now. Price is creating structure. The reason I still accepted to go into this trade because look, price did not take out RTP. It did not take out this high yet. The high is right here. Price did not take it out. Did not take it out. So that's why I still held this trade as a buy limit. So we are currently in the trade again. And you can manage this however you want. Some of you may have taken profit right here at a 1-to-1, whatever the case is. This is like a 1 to 1.5, whatever the case is. But again, you can manage it however you want. Look how beautiful the delivery was. Look how beautiful the delivery was. And I'm not saying that this, again, this strategy does not win 100%. It does not win. It does not win 80%. It may not win even 70%. The thing is, the risk to reward is insane. As I said before, go and backtest this yourself. Take what you learned in this video. Go backtest this yourself. We're already at a 1 to 4.5. Now, I wouldn't have held it for that long. I'm going to be honest. I wouldn't have held it for that long. I would have taken profit at this high. But just look at the possibility of the risk to reward with this setup. So I hope you guys appreciate what I'm teaching you. And yeah, be sure you guys take what I'm teaching you and go backtest it yourself. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. And I hope you guys actually apply these concepts that I'm teaching you. And yeah, take care, guys. See you in the next video.